What makes a great keyboard? In my opinion, it's got to be the price point, the layout options, and the mounting styles. Today we'll be talking about the TKD PT1 75% keyboard from ClickClack. Let's get straight into it. Action! PT1 75% keyboard from TKD. Absolute banger. Drawing inspirations from earlier custom mechanical keyboards like the Mode Sonnet and its top mount features. TKD is passionate about keeping the designs clean and minimal, while concentrating on the details of the keyboard inside and out. For the PT1 75%, its character is defined by its bezels. Additionally, they've gone away with rounded edges, and instead added sharper ones with a continuous chamfer connecting the outer lines. Keeping things minimal, in my opinion, extremely classy. It's almost reminiscent of the Pavlov from KBD Fans, which is one of my favorite keyboards aesthetically. Heading over to ClickClack's site, the TKD PT1 75% mechanical keyboard is in stock, starting at $248 USD. It does come with a solderable PCB and a 5052 aluminum plate. For the in-stock options, we have Fuji anodized pink, lemon, which is a coating yellow, canvas, which is a coating of blue, acorn, which is a coating of brown, cream, which is a coating of warm white, rock, which is a coating of cold gray, our option variant, blizzard, being a coating of motley white, and then lastly linen, coating of warm gray. Top mount only board coming in a 75% layout, which is just what I love. Coming in unbuilt at 2.05 kilograms. Front height of this board sits at 17 millimeters with a 7.5 degree typing angle. The side also shows a broken down view of the PT1 75% with all its parts. It also shows the different options of USB port badges you can receive, as well as different weights and different plates. There's 9 screws to hold the keyboard together, with 4 of them being hidden under the press and feet. This is a true top mount board, as it doesn't use any tabs for an isolated support. But my experiences with the coatings on the TKD boards, they're done exceptionally well. Designs of things are extremely minimal, with the line cutting all the way across into the PT1 75% engraving, offering a brass internal weight with stainless steel badges for trace kit designs and VTX engine, a brass external weight, and a recessed USB-C port that's patina'd. Like the board, there'll be 9 internal screws holding the weight down. Using a set of tweezers, we can carefully lift things up and take a closer look at the internal weight. First impressions of things, it's got some weight to it. 325 grams to be exact, and it's got some decent thickness. I do enjoy their attention to detail with the small foam padding on the back side. In my opinion, the machining on the internal weights are done beautifully. They also add some heft to the board, coming in at 266 grams in total. The good thing is, by default, it comes with the 5052 aluminum plate. Bad things have definitely got to do with the PCBs, with the solderable PCB having all the options that we can know and love, making it much more difficult to rebuild. While I still love the board for what it is, they definitely missed the mark when it comes to options, only having a step caps for the Hotswap PCB. While this is a true top mount board, we'll take the screws and secure things down into the top frame. 5 screws all around, and don't forget your star methods. While I would have loved to see some magnetic connectors, I can understand the use of a ribbon cable, and I will say I don't find it difficult to attach this one or connect this one. Now with things connected, we can flip things over and enjoy the beauty of the PT1 75%. I'm an absolute sucker for the patina on the USB port badge. Trace Kit Designs did a phenomenal job on the attention to detail while keeping this board extremely minimal and classy. With 9 screws putting things back together, I don't find this board to be too difficult to build and rebuild. This is definitely one of the nicer top mount boards I've used in quite a while, with a great sound coming from the board itself. And while most of the layout options only come on the solderable PCB, I do feel the PT1 75% keyboard is worth the pickup. Go ahead and jump into a sound test. Now, I'm not sure about you guys, but in my opinion, that sounded chef's kiss. PT1 75% keyboard, the hardcore Sanjas, no foam on the Alu Plate. In my opinion, the only drawback has got to be the layout options for the Hotswap. Really wishing they had 7U support, split left shift, split backspace. It does have step caps. That's about all that it comes with. What makes a great keyboard? Price point, mounting styles, the layout options. Now, while some layout options were missed, Solderable PCB definitely passes the test. Now, it's just my preferences. I do enjoy a Hotswap, so I always like to build and rebuild keyboards. But for a first time solderable build, PT1 I'm happy with. I gotta say, overall though, the price point, very fair. Especially when taking into consideration the amount of detail, the attention to quality that this board will provide. $248 starting USD is a fair asking point. Now with mounting styles, it only comes with top mount. But if you're doing that one style, you better do it good. And this board, exactly that. PT175 is a top mount only board that hits every note when it comes to top mount. No hollowness, great sound, happy with the pickup overall. If you guys enjoyed this style of video, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment letting me know what you like, or on the contrary, if you didn't like the video, feel free to let me know as well. Other than that though, everyone, thanks for watching. Until the next time, peace.